Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Walmart buy. Let's see what I got. Hot Wheels, Monster Trucks, Barbie RC. Wheelie, Turin Action Tires. Remote Control RC, 2.4 GHC. 30 miles, 100 feet. 4+, these are from Mattel. Here's a bag. RC remote control. Let's open it up. And because the box is small, we have to open from the bottom. I don't know why I'm opening these monster trucks because this is how I'm taking it all day. Pamphlets. And here's the instructions. Here's the remote control. Here's the monster trucks out of the box. I think we need some batteries. AAAs and AA's. I thought they need AAAs for the monster trucks and the remote control. We'll be right back.